Hello, we are discussing the Isi B.Stat paper today, and this is question number 6. The question says, consider a triangle with vertices given, and let A be the area of the triangle and B be the area of the circumcircle of the triangle. Then what is the ratio of B by A? That means we are asked to find the ratio of the area of the circumcircle divided by area of the triangle. Now, to find the area of the circumcircle, we need the circumradius. Now, the circumradius of any triangle is given by ABC by 4 times the area of the triangle, and this can be simplified to give A by 2 sine A. So, this is for any triangle. Now, for right angle triangles, the circumcenter is the midpoint of the hypotenuse. And therefore, the circumradius is the hypotenuse divided by 2. Now, this is what is the radius or circumradius of a right angle triangle. So now let's see what kind of a triangle is given. So we have the points as 0, 0, 0, 0, which is the origin, and then you have 1, 2, which is a point maybe up here, and then negative 4, 2, which will be a point on the other side. So this is your triangle. So if I name the points as O, A and B, now I can see that if I use vector algebra, OA is given by -4 minus 0 into I cap plus 2 minus 0 into j cap, which is -4 I cap plus 2 j cap, and the vector OB is given by 1 minus 0 I cap plus 2 minus 0 j cap, which is I cap plus 2 j cap. So therefore, if I take the dot product of OA and OB, OA dot OB will be -4 into 1 plus 2 into 2, which is 0. So the dot product of OA and OB is 0, means OA is perpendicular to OB, which means the angle AOB is 90 degrees. That means this is a right angle triangle. So then the circumradius will become half of the hypotenuse. So here AB is the hypotenuse, and as you can see, the x coordinates are the y coordinates are same, which are 2 and 2. So the x coordinates are -4 and 1. So the hypotenuse of this is 5. So the circumradius will be 5 by 2. So therefore, the area of the circumcircle will be pi into r square. So area of circumcircle, which is B, which is pi into 25 by 4, and the area of the triangle, which is A, will be given by half OA into OB, which is OA is given by square root of 16 plus 4, which is square root of 20, and OB is given by square root of 1 plus 4, which is square root of 5. So this is half into square root of 5 into square root of 20, which is half root 5 into 2 root 5. 2 and 2 cancels, so this is 5. So therefore the ratio of B by A is 25 pi by 4 by 5. 25 pi by 4 by 5, which is 5 pi by 4. So the correct answer is option B. We move to the next question. It says f and g are continuous functions in the range from 0 to infinity, and the definitions of hx and fx are given. If f dash is the derivative of f, then for x equal to 0, what would be the correct value of f dash? So we differentiate fx and we get g of hx times h dash x, and then we differentiate hx to get h dash x, which is f of 3 to the power x into derivative of 3 to the power x, which is 3 to the power x into ln 3, minus the function at 2 to the power x into derivative of 2 to the power x, which is 2 to the power x ln 2. So therefore f dash x is given by g of hx into h dash x, which is 3 to the power x f of 3 to the power x ln 3 minus 2 to the power x ln f of 2 to the power x ln 2. So this is your f dash x, and this matches with the last option, which is option D.